Step 2. How to make a purchase in a foreign online store. Choose an online store and sign up with it. For convenience, go to the Meest Shopping web office to the Addresses section and select Meest Addresses. Find the country in which you will buy and copy the necessary data. Enter your first name with ID number, last name, add your email address, and create a password. After registering, select the products you want to buy and add them to your cart. When placing an order, go back to the Addresses and Meest Addresses section and copy all the data. Add your first name with ID number, last name, phone number, and warehouse address in the country of purchase. After filling in all the data, pay for the purchase. After the online store transfers your order to the delivery service, you will receive a tracking number from the online store to your email address, which you need to register in the Meest Shopping web office. Important. For goods from online stores in Spain and Portugal, you need to register the order number. It is generated after payment of the order and is available on your email address.